So Joel, you and your crew had the daunting tasks of the plumbing, the cooling, and the heating here.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
It's time for finishes. You must be happy we're near the end.
Yeah, it's exciting to see stuff come together.
So tiles in, I see here, beautiful shower there.
Yep.
I like the design here with the toilet tucked away. Vanities are here, and this is going to be the centerpiece in this building, this big, deep soaking tub. So some rules you had to follow to get this thing exactly right. It wasn't that easy to rough this bathroom.
No, this bathroom, you know, was a challenge. We had a lot of steel underneath the floor here to deal with, and we had to get sewer and water lines, you know, up to this bathroom.
It was ingenious how you used the coffered ceilings down below to hide it all.
Yeah, it really worked out well.
All right, so this big tub's going to be right here, sitting in the window, and normally you'd have a tub filler that came up out of the floor that had the two pipes, and you have to hang it against the wall or secure it to the tub.
Yeah.
Not so with this.
Yeah, but check this out. This particular faucet actually has a concentric line inside of it.
So this is the part that's going to go right here. There's the handle. So look at this. You got hot will come here, cold will come here, and it comes up through that shaft, and the control point's up above. And you've roughed this special fitting in right there.
These two O-rings on the outside make a watertight seal when this goes down into that mounting plate.
Let's drop it in. Beautiful. Nice. You got better eyes than I do, Joel. That is a beautiful unit. Lovely. And now the flange can go down. That is really beautiful.
Now, anytime that you install a tub, you need a device called a bath waste overflow.
Right.
And what this does is it actually prevents flooding in a house.
For
so,
sure.
you know, when the water level gets up to a certain height in the tub, it goes over this little overflow device and finds its way down through the drain instead of on the floor.
Right. But everything you have in your hand, we don't need with this tub.
Right.
Because the overflow is actually built in as an integral part of the tub. Here's the overflow slot. The channel comes down inside the tub, shows up down here, and goes into a special fitting down here that's pretty interesting too. We're going to mount this to the bottom of the tub. So this tub sits here. The overflow will enter in right here, so anything that overflows will come into the drain. And then you've roughed in the PVC, and we'll cut it off at the right height, right about there. So then what we need to do is to use this type of gasket right here and push it down over the top of that PVC. And for that, you use a PVC fitting, and that goes down over, and that makes the watertight connection. Just pass me that pop-up, would you?
Yeah, sure.
So now the finished product is closed, open, and that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Let's do it.
Time for a lift.
Oh boy.
Good, Steve. I'll cut the pipe with this inside pipe cutter.
Great tool. All right, let's give it a test. Water's back on. That is so fantastic. It's a handsome unit, perfectly installed. Thanks for all your great work.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.